Who are you?
My name is Liz Barris, and I'm electrosensitive, and we're suing Edison. And the lawsuit actually is now open to PG&E plaintiffs. We have a contingency law firm, meaning the law firm is paying expert witness costs, filing costs, and waiving attorney's fees until such time as we win, and then he gets paid. And this suit is now open to PG&E plaintiffs as well as Edison plaintiffs. And in fact, once we file, the suit will be open to all utility plaintiffs in the state of California who have been harmed by smart meters or smart grid. And what I mean by harmed by smart meters or smart grid is any health effect whatsoever that you're experiencing that has been caused by your smart meter or smart grid. And most people don't even realize that their health effects are being caused by this radiation. So I'm going to tell you what some of the health effects could be, and believe me, these health effects are not limited to what you might be experiencing as someone who's being harmed by smart grid or smart meters.
Let me understand. Are you looking for plaintiffs?
We are seeking plaintiffs who have been harmed by smart meters or smart grid to join our contingency our contingency class action lawsuit.
So how do I know if I've been harmed by my meter?
So how do you know okay. Well, you may not even know that you've been harmed by your meter. You may just be experiencing health effects that either, from a pre-existing condition that has been exacerbated once the smart meter, RF meter, or digital meter went onto your house, or you may have smart grid in front of your house if you opted out, and you still may be experiencing health effects, or your neighbor's smart meters could be affecting you and you could be experiencing health effects.
Could be any symptom or special symptoms.
Yes, and I will talk about the symptoms right now. Okay. And your symptoms may not be listed here, and your symptoms will absolutely be potentially qualified for this lawsuit, and it's not my decision. Of course, it's the law firm. But
so EMF can affect general health in all kinds of different ways then?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Some of the most common health effects associated with smart meters or RF meters or smart grid, any wireless meter that the utilities are now installing and rolling out, some of the more common ones are heart attack, heart arrhythmia, severe headache, stabbing pains in the ear, loss of energy, precancerous cells, diagnosis of precancerous cells, cancer, endocrine disruption, birth defects, hormonal problems, fertility issues, any neurological illness, or if you have a medical implant, that implant could be actually interacting with the smart meter, such as a defibrillator or a deep brain stimulator. And so any of these things, and I'm just going to see if I've left anything out.
I think insomnia.
Oh yeah, problem sleeping, brain fog, and that's twitching muscles.
Okay, so a lot of various and very wide range of health effects that you may not attribute to the meter.
Right. People are experiencing health effects, and they don't even know why. And so
what do we do? If I think that the electromagnetic radiation in my house is affecting me, which could be a combination of all things, so you add the meter onto the Wi-Fi, onto the cordless phone, whatever.
Right.
So now I've got too much of this, I'm starting feeling sick, or my kids are getting sick, and I need to possibly consider joining your lawsuit. So
bloody noses, by the way. Sorry, I forgot.
Noses.
Bloody noses is another one, yeah.
Okay,
so if you want to join the lawsuit, you can call 310-281-9639 or contact at thepeoplesinitiative.org, and you can put a little
We'll
thing.
have it on screen.
Okay. And a website, citizensforaradiationfreecommunity.org, is dedicated just to the lawsuits. I have a different website, thepeoplesinitiative.org, which is our 501c3, not related to the lawsuit. But for that lawsuit, citizensforaradiationfreecommunity.org.
And what am I going to have to do? I suppose it'd be a good idea if I kept good track and record of my medical symptoms and whatnot, right?
Sure, keep good track, but don't worry, we have an intake sheet and judiciary forms and the whole thing, so when you call, we'll straighten out everything that's going on with you, and we'll get it all on paper from you.
Okay, anything else?
That's it. We hope that you do join, and please, any other utility customers in the state of California who believe that they've been harmed by smart meters, smart grid, or any wireless meter that the utilities are putting on at your house or in your neighborhood right now.
Get the word out.
Yeah, please get the word out, and you will be eligible to join this suit once we file. Right now, we're only actually taking Edison and PG&E, but please get in touch. Once a suit is filed, you will be able to become a plaintiff against your utility in this contingency lawsuit, meaning you don't pay those court costs, expert witness fees, or the attorney fees until we win.
And you'll be able to help people maybe start lawsuits in other areas.
Absolutely. Well, we need a law firm to help them because we can't really pay a law firm, and we have with the luck to have this great contingency firm.
But you can show them how it's done.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.